All right, guys, I am pumped here right now. Another video about drip. This is Beach Office 365 coming at you. And I'm Luke, and I've been getting excited about a lot of projects. And even though drip has been a little disappointing, we are starting to see some things come around here. I want to quick show you. I mean, look at this here. We came here. It kept dropping down. Now we're coming back up. It's like we're finding this bottom. I mean, for the longest time, it was just going like this, right? So here, let me look at the take a look. This is a daily. So this goes all the way back to last year, right? And I bought in. I think I got in like right here. Thought I was a genius when I hit here. Felt retarded when it went down here, and then it started going, and I was just like, money printer. And it's just been just awful, just coming down. I had these different points here that I thought we were going to find support on. Around this area, the 20 level is where I think it could go. But I'm really excited. I mean, look at this. This is like, people are like, wait a minute. It's like they're not letting it go past 30. So, we come back over here. What do I got? My wallet connected to this. Let me see here. All right, so here's. All right, so I got 164 deposits, 1.37. Now, people were talking about like, oh, it's less money here. Maybe I should wait and compound when it builds up. I don't look at this number, okay? At least not right now. I'm looking at this, the amount of drip I have. So I got no problem compounding right now, 1.3 drip. You know what I mean? So that let's just do that now. Boom. Just got to confirm it on Metamask. And by the way, guys, if anyone hasn't been in drip, I got a buddy link down below. You just copy and paste it, because to get into drip, you do need to have a buddy pass. If you do want to use mine and you're still uncertain about how to set up your wallet and all that, let me know. We'll find a way to speak offline, and I can help you get that all set up. All right, let me just confirm this. But yeah, there's so many things in the pipeline that are going to be coming out, and I think even just the animal farm, if that goes well, we're going to see a turnaround here. And then the different partnerships, Pancake Swap, right? The casino that they have, folks. Drip, this is where it's at. I mean, I've seen it shoot up, I've seen it come down. Compound success, baby. Boom. Gotta love that. All right, let me just make sure. I like to make sure it goes in. There we go. But anyway, guys, yeah, that's looking at this, and this is it was coming down, and then we had boom, right? We had this just huge, right? But it was just too fast, too quick, and then we had the slow sell-off, and it started going back down around the same angle. But then right here, we are kind of coming in for a landing. Now it could come down to 20, and that's fine. If it comes down to 20, I'm definitely buying more. But I did buy some more around here at 33, and that was a few days ago. But yeah, guys, drip, let me know what you think. Comment down below. Would love to hear from you. This is where we're doing it. Drip is my favorite DeFi project by far. You guys know I cover other ones, but this is the one that I'm the most excited about. Let me know what you think. Peace.